brush in my hand, mind ease. Colors flow like autumn leaves. Smart graphics guiding me through. Every line brings something new. Layers blend soft as the air, creating visions without a care. From screen to soul, I find my way. A peaceful art in hues of gray. Step by step, line by line, crafting beauty. Take my time in the quiet, in the calm, where creation feels like a song. Each small click, a gentle breeze. Photoshop feels like poetry. Smart graphics leads, no rush, no race. Just the rhythm, a steady pace. I breathe in deep, I let it flow. With every stroke, I start to grow. No pressure here, just pure design. A simple joy, a state of mind. Step by step,